On day 6, match number 10, the Trans Titans taking on the African Lions. Both these teams have a point or two to prove. Just sense by that first hit, the sound of ball hitting bat, how good a surface it is once again. The fielder kept there some time back, but that's been moved. Shot fine up in the circle, and that's so Jesse Ryder-like shot. He fetches the first 6 in the very first over. That's a firm strike, that was full. And he just leaned into this one, Rishi Dhawan. Anything in the arc for any batter on the surface, and that is going to disappear as well. Good shot, good 4, and they'll need more of it here, the Titans. He's miscued this one. Two fielders a bit confused initially, but it's been taken. There again, good catch. Taken by the end of it. Subodh Bhati with that catch and a very soft dismissal. Jesse Ryder got the toe end of the bat and Toka strikes.
कैच करने के बाद सुबोध भाटी पवन सुयाल की तरफ देख रहे थे और कह रहे थे भैया आपका कैच था ये, मैं आपके पाले में आया हूं। ये देखिए कैच पकड़ा उन्होंने, उसके बाद उनको देख रहे हैं, अरे आप आ ही नहीं रहे, कैच तो आपको करना था। कैच हो गया, ये ज्यादा जरूरी है। बल्ले के काफी निचले भाग में गेंद लगी थी।
Yeah, this is easy pickings over here. He'll not miss out on these opportunities. What a 6 from the bat of Pratik Attavale. No surprises here. That's because that's bread and butter cricket for him if you bowl it in that region.
आम तौर पे ये देखा जाता है, आम तौर पे कि अगर दोनों ही दाहिने हाथ के बल्लेबाज हों और अगर आपके पास एक बाएं हाथ का स्पिनर का विकल्प मौजूद है तो आप उसके पास पहले जाएंगे। ये बहुत बड़ा जुआ खेला गया है यहाँ पे।
No half measures. One bounce towards the cow corner region. Quickly rocks back, swivels, and Pratik Attavale is dealing in boundaries. Wow! How beautifully he has executed this one. Just came in line of the ball and manufactured a massive 6. Pratik Attavale in overdrive mode. Wonderfully hit. He is at the peak of his powers here, Pratik Attavale. He's seeing the ball really well in his innings out here. Tries of catch it, but that's over the fielder at mid-off, and that will be another boundary. 21 runs coming off this over, and Pratik Attavale is calling the shots in the middle. It's 49 for 1.
Slightly surprised. That's another poor delivery. Bhati just dishing out some freebies, and this time the skipper, Rishi Dhawan, nicely pumping it over fine leg for a boundary.
ट्रांस टाइटंस ने पिछले मुकाबले में 200 से ज्यादा रन चेज किए थे और पावर प्ले भी जो है समाप्त करेंगे एक शानदार चौके के साथ करेंगे। 6 ओवर समाप्त हुए, टाइटंस ने लगा दिए 68 रन। इस बार फिर से बिल्कुल सीधे बल्ले का उपयोग किया गया है। बहुत लाजवाब शॉट है और ये स्टाइल में इन्होंने अपना अर्धशतक भी पूरा किया है। क्या एक ग्लोरियस शॉट है। स्ट्राइक देखिए, सर बिल्कुल स्थिर।
He held the pose for a little while so the photographer could have taken the picture. 52 in no time. Take a look at that. Wow. Absolutely magnificent.
स्पिनर्स के लिए हमने कोई खासा टर्न होते हुए नहीं देखा था, बट क्या पिकअप शॉट खेलते हैं बल्लेबाज। ऐसा लग रहा था कि क्या पहले ओवर कमिट किया है फ्रंट फुट पे, पर गेंद को आने दिया। हैंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन इतना बेहतर कि सिर्फ संपर्क से 6 चला दिया।
This was just a short arm jab and brings up the 100 for the Trans Titans with that 6. The length was full. Take a look at that. Not much follow through. Very strong forearms and wrists by Rishi Dhawan. And the fielder at mid wicket was just a spectator. Beautiful hit. Shot. He finishes the 10th over with a massive 6. That's the second 6 in this over. And it's Nelson for 1 wicket in 16 runs over.
Not scared of using his feet and also not scared of putting it in the gap for sure. Rishi Dhawan knows to bat only one way right now.
गैप इसलिए मिलता है क्योंकि प्रतीक्षा करते हैं, ये हड़बड़ाहट में नहीं रहते।
That's what he was looking for. The edge. It's come by. The finger has risen, and that means that Tavle's innings has come to an end. One that he'll remember for a while. Yes, he did get an opportunity alive, but he's made the most of it. 68 of 33 in a bid to up the ante, perishes in the process.
सुहास तभी कहते हैं कि हारिए ना हिम्मत, बिसारिए ना राम, वही बनाता है सबके बिगड़े काम. लीजिए, बन गया इनका बिगड़ा काम.
Chip over the infield, and it's also in the gap. Double insurance. It goes for 4. Cracking hit. The long off will only fetch it, not field. Read the slower delivery. Pierces the gap with perfection. Subodh Bhati is wondering, what do I do? Where do I ball? Well, guess what? You don't need to in this over at least. 137 for 2. A gentle nudge will take him to the milestone. Captain's carnage all the way through. A half century of the highest order for Rishi Dhawan. And it couldn't have come at a better time. Yes, the team lost an early wicket, but this is what positive mindset looks like. Man in front of spin. Oh well, there's not much that a keeper can do. Subodh Bhati is doing his best in the end. He runs all around it. Tried something very risky. Had the ball caught under his foot, then the ankle would have been in trouble.
ये एक रूल है, नियम है. हमेशा कहा जाता है, खास तौर पे गेंदबाजों को, कभी भी पांव से गेंद रोकने की कोशिश ना करें, क्योंकि अगर कहीं पांव गेंद के ऊपर पड़ गया और आपका एंकल मुड़ गया ना, तो बड़ी तकलीफ में हो सकते हो आप. ये देखिए जो करे कोशिश, ये
Had to, well, wasn't in control. Nagar completes the catch. That's the end of Rishi Dhawan.
उंगलियां फेरी सीम के ऊपर, थोड़ा सा लेंथ भी पीछे खींच के रखा, क्योंकि जब कदमों का इस्तेमाल करते हुए आप देखते हैं ना बल्लेबाज को, आप लाइन लेके उनसे दूर चले जाते हैं. जब आप उनसे लाइन लेके दूर चले जाएंगे तो वो जितनी भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बल्ले के बीच में गेंद नहीं लगती, निचले भाग में लगती है.
Gentle touch, and I think Pofu provided the pace. Batter provides the placement.
कि मारना है तो इधर मारिए. यहां टाइम अच्छा हो गया पिनल शाह से.
Yogesh Nagar sliding the ball above the eye line. Pinal Shah says, let me provide some flight as well to the ball. Connected beautifully and got into position early. With the wind, the ball flies away. Meanwhile, Pinal Shah, there's no stopping him as well. A 50 in the last game. He continues to pile on the runs for his side.
Having a fine leg third man in the circle. Pick-up shot over mid-wicket. That was pace on that delivered by Mpofu. And that's nicely clipped away on the up by Pinal Shah.
I reckon he was just standing deep in his crease on this occasion. He preempted this delivery and thought of using the depth. Didn't really give the charge forward. Yeah, he just stood there. Rock solid base. And that's what matters. You've got to bring out those long levers then. Good extension of the arms. That's how good this wicket, this square has played. There will be some halt. And we will certainly come back to you with an update. But for the moment, we leave you with the match number 8 where the Indian Warriors were playing the Asian Kings. You can see through that match highlights, and we'll get back to you with an update very soon. Stay tuned.